Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Michaela and I'm so excited. This morning I'm going to do the Lanna Kaftan, the Lanna cover up. So as you see, I've already cut my pieces and I've already prepared them. I've pinned them, so I've got my front piece on top of my back piece and they are facing right sides together. I don't know if you see well, but this side has like a shinier side. And yes, so I've pinned the shoulder areas, both sides, and then all along the waist, so the sides of it. And I'm going ahead and I'm going to my serger and I'm going to serge this. If you do not have a serger, you can always use your zigzag stitch on a normal sew machine. The fabric I used is actually a net, but with really high stretch, really cool. I will not be using, you don't need to use any elastic normally. It's really optional, but I will not be using any. I will immediately top stitch the neck area and the sleeves and the bottom part. So yes, as you can see, I'm not going really fast because I don't want my fabric to move along, because these little holes of the net make me like, oh. My kitty is also saying hello. So I'm just going to show you this side and then I'm going to do everything off camera. Of course, I'm going to show you how I top stitch as well, but I just want to give you the heads up that I'm going to use my my cover stitch for obvious saving time reasons. So yes, here it is one side is already serged, right, and looks really nice. And then I'm going to the rest of it. This project is like really fast to do. It's really easy, and I didn't actually spend like a lot of fabric. I thought I would be spending a little bit more, but actually not really. I've only spent like a meter of fabric. It was great. That was really good. So yes, I'm going to do all the rest off camera. Once I'm done, I'm going to show you the next step. And of course, before I forget, I've also cut a band to tie up the kimono, and I'm just actually going to fold it in two and go over and serge it. I do not add elastic to it because it actually has no other function, just that to tie it. So yeah, I'm going to do this first, and once I'm done I will be showing you how I'm top stitching my kimono. Okay, so I'm here on my cover stitch machine and I'm ready to top stitch my cover up, my kaftan. And what I actually do, I've turned already the kaftan on the right side of the fabric, right, and I'm just practically going to fold inside the edge about a finger, let's just say. If you want more, you can do more. If you want less, you can do less. So I'm just folding it inside, and then I just simply go over and cover stitch it. Like I said, if you do not have a cover stitch machine, you can always top stitch with your zigzag stitch. It's absolutely fine and it's not a problem. I only use my cover stitch because it's actually really faster than my normal sew machine. otherwise I would have zigzag stitch as well. So yes, as you can see, this is how I'm doing it, and I will be doing it around the neck area, around the both sleeves there. If you wish, you don't need necessarily to cover stitch or to top stitch. You can also leave the raw edge. There are some fabrics which actually don't unravel. Even this fabric would not unravel, but perhaps it will be like rolling after certain uses. But yeah, if you do not feel like top stitching, you can just leave it raw and cut the little ends of the initial seams, connection seams. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's a very short video. It's actually just instructional video. If you have any questions, please feel free to write me, and I wish you happy sewing.